Not at the top 4 in the order that they left the grid as we move up the third. How aggressive will Charlotte-clad go into the braking zone? Driver's eye view as we chip has versus has late lunch chance converted there. That was very tight stuff between the two houses ahead. The inside, but Max Verstappen powers through and the world for it, bringing the noise, bring in the overtake, and bring in the crowd to their feet. Outside our commentary box window, Sergio Perez up 5 places now and 24, and still McLeod current run with Oscar Piastri in the lead. Lando Norris immediately. McLaren give the call to Oscar Piastri to prioritize. The highest McLaren driver, the virtual safety car, is out. It is now chance. And he took no risks, no point in getting a penalty, no point in having time added on Charlotte. Oscar Piastri taking his first win in the sprint format. Max Verstappen with a good pass on Charles Leclerc to relegate the Monegasque driver down to 4th